unblock someone on Facebook. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can unblock someone on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the gear icon. This will open up your settings. Now scroll down. Here, get to the section Audience and Visibility. You will find different options here. Find the one that says blocking. Go ahead and select that. When you select blocking, you will find all the accounts that you have blocked. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on the unblock option next to their name. Now here it will ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and select unblock. Once you do that, you have successfully unblocked someone on Facebook. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.